NIO has just released September delivery numbers, and the numbers look fantastic. Today we are going to look what those numbers mean and also look at the new price target. Stay tuned. Make sure that you stay all the way to the end so that you don't miss out the latest news when it comes to NIO. Guys, NIO have just released the delivery numbers for September. In the month of September, NIO delivered 4,708 vehicles. That's 133% from last year. This is what the investors are looking for. When those investors see a trend, you're going to see that number start to increase. Last time we looked at the charts, and so from the last video that we made, if you haven't seen that video, make sure that you check that video out. We saw that 42% of NIO's investors are institutions. When institutions see these numbers that NIO keep producing numbers keep going up, these institutions, they are going to increase their bags, and you're going to see that percentage of institution invested in NIO is going to increase. These are the numbers that institutions, they are looking for. Fantastic numbers. In the last 3 months, NIO delivered 12,206 vehicles. That's another number that's on the trend. 150% from last year. Another trend going up from year to year. Now, we talked about institutions waiting for the trend to be set before they put in more money. This is a trend that has been set and NIO is charging forward. Now, that leads me to think this price at $20 is underpriced. When you think of it, NIO right now, $20, when other EV vehicles, EV companies, they don't even have a product yet. All they have is a prototype, and their stock is way higher than NIO. Just think of it. NIO is producing 12,206 vehicles in 3 months. This is an undervalued stock that's going to blow up anytime. And that's why we on this channel are invested in NIO. We invest in stocks that are undervalued, and we are looking for that pop. There are so many stocks, good stock, that we could invest in, including Apple. The reason we don't invest in Apple is Apple is a good stock with good fundamentals, but on this channel, that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for that pop. We're looking for more risk stock that's going to give us one leg up. This is not a retirement channel where you sit on a stock 10, 20 years waiting for the pop. We're looking for 1-2 years, make that pop and make that move, and on to the next one. When you look at the market cap for Apple, $2 trillion, and the price is at 110. Well, for the price to double from 110 to 220, it's going to take another $2 trillion. Now, $2 trillion is a ton of money. Now, if you are invested in Apple and you're thinking that Apple is going to double in price in the next year, chances are the math doesn't agree. Apple won't double in price. But when we look at NIO, 25 billion market cap, chances are the price doubling are much higher, and that's why we're invested in NIO. Moving forward to the delivery numbers, because these numbers are fantastic, and that's why we are invested in NIO. You know what this channel is about. We're about that money. We're about that moolah. NIO have also started producing that anticipated car, SUV, smaller compact SUV, EC6 in September. This is a hot commodity that has been anticipated for the longest time, and they just started producing it towards the end of September. All in total, since NIO started producing these cars, you know, NIO is a brand new company, only in production 4 years ago. They started making these cars, and today they're producing about 58,288 vehicles in total, just in 4 years. Now, if you're an investor, like we said in the past, you're looking for these trends before you even put in more money. What we're going to see, and I anticipate seeing, is institutions such as Vanguard and all those big boys, BlackRock, they're going to start putting in billions because they're going to see a trend. All these investors standing by the sideline, they are waiting for a trend. They're waiting for fundamentals to be set, and NIO is just doing that. It's setting those trends, meeting those numbers. Investors feel comfortable putting me more money. Now for you and I, we are early. We got in before the masses. When those masses come in, this price at $20, they'll wish they got in at 20 bucks. It's like getting in on Amazon, Google, and you know Amazon right now is a $3,000 stock price. We missed the boat. We're not gonna miss on NIO because we know where NIO is going. Now let's talk about the price target. We are setting the price target for NIO at 30 bucks, and here is why. This year, just this year, NIO popped in June 75%, and that's reasonable because of a small market cap. We can see those huge legs up, going up massively. 75% in June. NIO went to the upside. In September, early September, late August, again NIO showed up again about 40%. NIO has now consolidated and now looking forward to make another stretch, and that's my anticipation from looking at the past two stretches that NIO has made. We are placing this stretch at 30 bucks. Today NIO is sitting at $21. It touched the all-time high last week around $22. We do anticipate more momentum as it starts touching all-time high and finally making that big stretch to the upside around $30, where it's gonna consolidate again and move forward. For now, we are placing the stock at $30, where to consolidate for a little while before making another stretch in the near future. Guys, you know what this channel is about. We are about that shmoney. Smack the like button so that the YouTube gods can know what's up. Cheers, guys.